AGBTV, and today we have a big problem. Not a big problem, but a problem, because there's an injured bird in our backyard. I don't know what happened. So I was just walking around in our backyard, and then suddenly I just saw a poor injured bird right over here. We were just about to go water our garden, and then, okay, it was right there. And then he started moving around, and now he's all the way over here. Ready for the big reveal? Ready? He's right there. It looks like a robin. Is it a robin, Dad?
Looks like a type of robin or a sparrow, yeah.
Yeah. He got a bucket and stuff to get him. You're not...
Try to get him into the...
Yeah. Try to get him in there.
Here.
Look at him.
Here, come in. Can you get in? Come in. Climb in. Climb in. I'm going to move you to the other side, okay? Come in. Come on, buddy. Come in.
Sad.
Come in. Come
It's
in.
okay.
No, you're okay. You're okay.
Oh, it's
You're
okay.
okay.
It's
You're okay.
Okay.
No. The other way, buddy.
No,
The other way. The other way.
Oh, no.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh, no.
no. You're stuck. That's not good. Okay, hold on, buddy. Hold on.
Oh, no.
Hold on.
God. Oh, no.
Okay. You guys are kind of more in the way than helpful.
Oh, my God. This is nuts. This is so sad.
Come here.
He's
Come here.
struggling.
Come on. I know he is. He's. I don't really want to grab him and hurt him.
He's scared of.
Yeah, I know he is. It's okay.
Oh, my God. Come on, buddy. This is so sad, guys. Give this video a like if you feel bad for this bird. And leave a... We can't comment because my comments are turned off. And oh my God. Bird on the run. Okay, give this video a big thumbs up if you like birds. And if you don't like birds, like it still, okay? Really? Uh-oh. His wings all... Look at that. I don't think anyone could see, but I can't either, so... If you guys can't see, I can't see. If you didn't know that. I'm kidding. You guys could probably see it, but... Like, this is getting sad. Oh, my God. He's on the run. Running away from downtown. Oh. I don't know what I'm singing, but all I know is... So, yeah. You want to say hi to get?
Yes, I do.
Can't save him?
He's over on their stuff now.
Oh, no.
What in the house?
Is that just... Probably just an ant. You a bully.
Where's the bird?
So,
You guys not stepping foot,
there's that. So, he got away. He's in our neighbor's bushes. And I hope you guys like this video. Sorry I'm not posting too much, but hope you like this video. Remember, this is AGBTV, and subscribe. Okay, bye. Have a great day. Bye.